Oh, yeah! Woo! Oh, compress the shock on the landing. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I am at Hobby Hideaway, well the back parking lot of Hobby Hideaway, and we are doing parking lot wars today. And you've seen these in prior years, I've done it before. I got third with Kyosho over the season last year, and third with Tamiya. I'm not running my Tamiya today. This is the same truck that I've ran previously. This is just the Kyosho Phaser, long wheelbase Toyota Tundra, but the new thing I'm going to run today is technically an old truck. This is my Traxxas slash 4x4 that I've set up with the Proline F100 street truck body. This is going to be the first time I'm kind of running it on a street race, and I have invested in some new tires. I wanted to try some of the proper tires for this body. For this body, you're supposed to run a 2.8 low profile stadium truck wheel and tire. So that is what this is. This is by Louise RC. This is a 2.8 inch wheel with a very low profile stadium truck profile street tire on it. This is called the ST Rocket. You can also get this in a short course, in a monster truck, but this is the appropriate size for this vehicle to get the proper stance. So this really, gets rid of the tuck issue that I had before with the short course wheels and tires. So this will be the first time trying it on street. It is a soft compound tire. And the cool thing about these Louise RCs is you get 4 or 5 different wheel offsets. So these screws let you take the hex off. And there's a 12 mil plus offset for 4x4, a 14 mil for ARMAs, and a 17 mil for 8 scale. And you get it all in the package with the tire. So it's kind of a neat value. I prefer J Concepts tires. The J Concepts in this size were only available in the 2-wheel drive offset, so I could not get an appropriate offset, so I decided to buy these from my local hobby shop when they went on sale. Louise RC. So we're going to try them out on this Traxxas slash 4x4 low center of gravity 2S today. So it's got a 2S LiPo, 3000 kV motor. It's a little slow, 15-tooth pinion. We're going to see how it goes in Parking Lot Wars. So they're just running the on-road Tamiya class right now. We've got 2 cars on track. We do this with a 1 versus 1 with a first to finish 3 laps wins, and then there's a winner's bracket and a loser's bracket. So then you get sorted into the A and the B group. So we run our race days. Here's some of the cars that came out today. We're also going to run a vintage buggy race today. And while I don't have a vintage buggy here to show you, what is here is this Dual Sport, which is pretty neat looking. This is the Team Associated Dual Sport based off an RC10 Pan chassis. Soft tire on this, a very soft tire. It is a rear-wheel drive only, what looks like a NASCAR. I'm very curious to see that run today. I'll try and get some clips of you running of the RC10 DS. All right, this is open class, so this is brushless. Full mods are allowed. Not that you're going to be able to really open it up on a track.
Parking lot wars.
Yeah, this is open mod class, so the cars are handling a little bit better and have tons of power, but not really able to put it down on this dusty, unprepped track. This is the Dual Sport. I wanted to get some clips of the Dual Sport, so he's running it in the open class. He's in the lead, looking good, the Dual Sport is. As you know, Team Associated has been on a vintage re-release just every week. It seems like they got a vintage re-release coming out on the Associateds, and this is one of them that came out last year. The RC10 DS Dual Sport. He's taking it real easy, but he's in the lead. All right, open class, father versus son. This is the Associated Dual Sport versus a TT02 upgraded with a brushless motor and oil-filled shocks is the purple Supra with the young lad driving it. Oh, it's noisy. It's so noisy. You know, they're only using probably 5% of the available throttle because if you go too fast down here, you get in the pebbles, you start spinning into the curb. So everyone's driving overly cautious, but this is open class. You're allowed to modify all you want. All right, this is going to be our first run with the slashes. This is going to be my Proline street body on the 2.8s. We got some big jumps. This is going to be chaos. I did not design this build for jumping, but we're going to do it anyway.
You guys ready?
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Now, just so you know, if you miss the ramp, you got to do a stop and go. If your two wheels touch the ramp, you're good.
Okay.
So if you touch the corner of it, you're good.
What if you make someone only touch 2 wheels?
Okay. You ready? Timing system is about to start. 10 seconds. Okay, the brake work.
Easy on my body. Block him. Oh, that's hard on the old front bumper. Handle's pretty good. Oh, this is going to be painful. I'm being very conservative. Wasn't that bad if I go slow. For the jumps, wasn't set up for jumping.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Oh, I almost missed. Whoa!
Last lap. Oh, got that one okay.
Damn it.
And across the line. Woo! Oh, compress the shock on the landing. Oh. Come on up to the starting grid, and you swap at the starting position. You swap starting sides every time. I think I was on the
Oh, yeah, no, you were
other side last time, but I don't quite remember.
I'm pretty sure it was on 3.
What?
I remember I bumped you when you're trying to do your transfer recording.
Hey,
See, is that the Traxxas control?
Yes.
Okay, that might be it. My hobby wing is the hardest to get reverse on my Slash.
Yeah, that one is weird because sometime when you just hit the throttle a little bit forward and you hit it back, it will go instant back. But if you're racing for a long time and then you hit it like at brake,
Yeah.
it will break. Second race.
that's a whole shot. Whoa, wheelie on the bounce. Oh! Trying to land flat so I don't break my front bumper off this new body. Gonna have to conserve throttle so that I can hit it in the air, keep the nose up. Oh, he's catching.
He's catching up.
And across the line. Woo! All right, double win. Full send. Hey.
On next time,
Kept it on
don't
Pete.
stop there. Just don't stop there.
Yeah. Good point. Good point.
Good job, guys.
Run,
Yeah,
brother.
good run.
Good job, Don.
All right, Brandon's up with his Techno Superlight. He's going to absolutely blow the doors off me. This thing was set up for 3S running, so it's only got a 3,000 kV motor. Most of the time on the race trucks, when you set them up for 2S, you put like a 4,200 to 4,600 kV motor in them. So his straightaway speed is going to be huge, as well as he's lighter, nimble, better steering, better everything. We'll see how it goes. Oh, I pushed him out.
Don has to be more aggressive on this.
Trying to block him. It's working. Oh, he's going to get me here. Oh, he missed the jump. that enough wheels on?
I was like a tumble roll.
Oh, I got on the power too abruptly. Oh, wasn't enough to lift the nose. It's closer than I thought it was going to be. Oh, roll over.
That was a nice landing.
I need him to spin out. Oh, I spinned out. All right, that's it. Well done.
I got some premium plastic.
That was closer than I thought it was going to be. All right, here we go. Good luck, buddy. 202. He's gonna beat me in this techno. I just know it, but I'm gonna do my best to not let it happen. Oh yes! Oh, now calm down. Calm down. This is my chance. Oh, you're blocking the view, Frank. You're blocking the view. Oh, I got sabotaged by the cameraman. Oh! Oh! Oh, another pit maneuver. Playing dirty in parking lot wars.
Last lap.
Oh, the last one already? I didn't think so, but that was a full send jump on that one. That was full throttle. That did work out. All right, you won both of them. Good job.
Thanks.
All right, I'm a loser now. All right, so I dropped down the losers bracket, and then I did the losers race, and then my battery dumped halfway through. It's either overheating, but I don't think it is, because this is only on 2S. It was just like browning out on the very last lap of the next race. It's really meant for 3S street ripping, so I don't think I'm going to run it in parking lot wars anymore. Looked pretty cool flying through the air, though. I got some cool air with it, but the front end took a bit of a beating doing it. So it's a little wrinkly and a little bit of scrapage, but overall I think I'm just going to keep this for a 3S street ripper, and then I'll bring my Techno for short course wars again. Also, Hobby Hideaway had a sale today, and I picked up a Wild One off-roader blockhead motors kit for vintage buggy parking lot wars in the future. So right now this is the finals of short course. This is the father versus son battle. We've done that in previous years. The purple is a Techno Super Light, and the green and black is a Techno SCT 410 2.0. Was that race one done, or were they just effing around?
No, that was race one.
Okay, Brian took it. Brian, you won first one. Good job. All right, father versus son for all the marbles.
No!
Oh, another rollover. Is that how he lost the first time? Probably. Now Dad's just got to keep it clean.
And the painless wonders in the front. Again, that's up.
Oh, yeah!
Oh man, that is the picture of the.
That was great.
Hold on. I know you.
Oh! Oh, son's in the lead now. Dad rolled over, son's in the lead. Here we go. Oh, a spin out. Come on, get it around. Oh, no. All right, that was 1 for 1. Sudden death now. This is the last one. All right, this is it. The final race of the day. Short course. A main. Techno versus techno. Father versus son. Again. Whoa, nice save, nice save. Whoa, Dad with the big air. Oh, it hurt him though, hurt him on the landing. Oh, his battery's dumping too. That's what mine did also. Not running my nice Gen Z's race batteries, that's why. I was just running some old ones that I had in a drawer or in my battery bin. All right. Oh! Brandon wins. That's the young lad. The son wins with the super light. Our Parking Lot Wars day is finished, and much to my surprise, I did better than expected. So I won in Kyosho, first place. That's great. And in short course, even though I went down to the losers bracket and then I lost because of the amount of cars, somehow I pulled off a third. So I've got a little bit of things to work out on this. If I want to Parking Lot Wars again, I don't think I'm going to. I'll go back to my Techno SCT 410 2.0. As you saw, I put in this video how much superior they are for racing. But the Slash is a great basher. I'm just going to keep it for street bashing. It's pretty fun, but it did all right in its first Parking Lot Wars. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new and here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.